Hello guys, how to fix iPhone keyboard lagging issue on your iPhone? If your keyboard is lagging, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is tap on settings, here scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and from the bottom tap on reset, transfer or reset iPhone. Again tap on reset and choose reset keyboard dictionary, and finally choose reset dictionary and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, on setting home page, tap on general, tap on keyboard, and here first disable predictive test. Disable this, turn off this feature, and check whether your error is iPhone keyboard lagging issue resolved or not. If not, disable all other features of iPhone keyboard to reduce the load of your iPhone keyboard. Turn off all such other features one by one, and your iPhone keyboard lagging issue will definitely resolve. After that, re-enable all these features one by one again. If your issue is still, then go to the app store of your iPhone, tap on search from the bottom right corner, and here look for Gboard. Tap on Gboard, and finally click on get button against Gboard Google keyboard. Install this Google keyboard on your iPhone and use as a keyboard. If your existing